Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the June MilSO Box unboxing. Wait, no, it's July. Oh my god. What? I swore it was the June MilSO Box until literally the second. Then I realized it's July. It's actually Friday the 13th right now as I'm filming it, so happy Friday the 13th. I am sitting here on my lovely couch for a change of scenery because, you know, like I think I mentioned the last one, I've got all this house that I could be filming in and I keep filming in my bedroom. So today we are gonna be doing our MilSO Box unboxing, but first I'm gonna go get a battery because my battery on my camera's dying. Why? I'm back. We've got a full battery this time. Let's get right on into this. If you guys don't know what MilSO Box is a monthly subscription service for the military significant other. If you are subscribed to MilSO Box, every single month you'll get a package very similar to this one, filled with a bunch of MilSO-made, veteran-made, and other American-made goodies. It's a wonderful gift for yourself or for a loved one, and if you stay tuned until the end of the video or check the description box down below, I do have a 10% off coupon code for your very first order at MilSO Box. But let's get into this one. The theme for the July MilSO Box is red, white, and blue. As always, I'm not looking at the card, but that theme is very fitting. I hope you all had a wonderful 4th of July. I know I did. I went up to New York and Pennsylvania. I actually posted a vlog from my weekend in Pennsylvania, so if you guys haven't seen my Pocono vlog, it's gonna pop up. I think it pops up on this side. Little card, you can go check out that video. Quite fun. Lots of screaming on water slides because I am a chicken. Now that I'm back here, I've got some cookies on the top of this box. These are cookies, right? Yeah. We've got cookies at the top of this box, and I'm over here. I know I always say this, but I'm honestly on day 6 since being home and taking myself seriously with the I'm trying to lose a couple pounds thing. And I really want these cookies. I might have one later just as like my before bed treat. So these are the Star Cookies. Navy wife owned, sinfully sweet, baked up these goodies for your patriotic taste buds. Check out all of her sinful sweets on her bakery's Facebook page, SA Sinfully Sweet. Up next, we've got, oh, I don't even know which, I see two things. I'm gonna pull the thing from the right. This is pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't want to rip it open because I want to like take a picture when I'm done with this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not going to open it just yet, but I will be inserting a clip of what this is. The trinket dish. Oh, it's so cute. This marbled polymer clay trinket dish features swirls of red, white, and blue for a patriotic yet practical conversation piece. This military family-owned business can be found on Etsy at JD3 Clay Creations. I'm definitely going to put this on my table in my room. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put into it yet. Probably like some jewelry. I don't really wear that much jewelry, but I will find a use for this. It's so pretty. The next thing in here is from Firefly Crystal Studio. Oh my god, it's another thing that I like don't want to rip into yet, because I'm gonna mess up retying this bow on here. I'm just gonna let you guys appreciate this bow because I'm gonna have to rip into this now because I need to know what's in here. You know, actually, Sergio learned how to tie a bow on a box because of Tiffany's, because he wanted to give me a necklace once, but he didn't want me to know that the necklace was not inside of the box. So he learned how to retie a Tiffany bow, and he gave me the box with the bow on it, and as I'm opening it, he like put the necklace on my neck, and it was really cute. And then we started dating. Ooh, so pretty. We've got a bracelet in here that I can totally put inside that little play dish that we just got. This would have been perfect to wear on the 4th of July. I'm so sad that I didn't get it before the 4th of July, but that's okay. You can be patriotic any time of the year. This is the patriotic bracelet. I just said patriotic. I didn't even know that that's what this was called. This Swarovski crystal bracelet was made especially for you by the dedicated sister of an Air Force MilSO. Her beautiful jewelry can be found at Firefly Crystal Studio on Etsy.com. This is the Root Chakra Coral Trust, Ground, Abundance, Self-Preservation. I'm intrigued. Oh, it's a bookmark. Okay. I'm like, what on earth am I doing with this little wand with some stones on it? This is the gemstone bookmark. This Chakra Love gemstone bookmark comes from the former MilSO owned company Chakra Love. See how her products can help keep you centered at jerrywarlick.com. Cool. I've actually got some books on my night table right now that I intend to read hopefully soon. I just keep forgetting to read before bed. So when I finally start reading again, I'm going to use this as my bookmark. Really cute. And I love that it's like, is it rose gold or gold gold? I think it's rose gold. Yeah, it matches my bracelet. It's rose gold. I love rose gold. And the last thing that we've got in here is a 20% off Lip Sense coupon. So this is, I managed to drop something even while I'm sitting down. Please explain. This is the Lip Sense coupon. Lip Sense independent distributor and Army spouse Tara Wilbur, or Tara. I knew somebody who pronounced it Tara, but I'm pretty sure it's normally Tara. So Tara Wilbur is offering 20% off of her products through August. Follow her Facebook link to connect. Willing to try red this summer? Red lips are the best. They make you feel so bold and so powerful. And I've actually heard a lot about Lip Sense. It like never comes off your lips or something like that. I gotta go check it out, but awesome. And that is everything inside of the July red, white, and blue MilSO box. Have I shown you guys the back of one of these cards lately? I feel like you always see it when I'm holding up the card, but it does say thank you for protecting his heart. And I remember like the very first MilSO box thinking, oh, that's so sweet. And I still think it's a very sweet little touch. So that was everything inside of this month's MilSO box. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing it with me. That looks like it's gonna fall over, doesn't it? Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I do have a coupon code. If you use JVFriends10 at milsobox.com, you get 10% off of your very first order for yourself, for a loved one, for some stranger, if you feel like buying it for like a stranger that you like only know a little bit and you want to like brighten their day, just anybody, whoever is a MilSO in your life, including yourself. I think that this is a wonderful monthly gift to give to somebody, so make sure you use my coupon code, save yourself some money. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed unboxing this month's MilSO box with me, make sure that you leave this video a nice big thumbs up for me. I would love to keep up with you guys across all of my social media platforms. I always have links them all in the description box down below. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you totally should. I post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Why do I always forget to breathe? Okay, bye.